How to create or delete a directory using the FileZilla FTP client. Open the FileZilla client. In this Quick Connect bar, enter the host name in the host field. It is your domain name. Now enter the username in the username field and password into the password field. You can use your cPanel username and password as your FTP user and password. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Now click the Quick Connect button. The server pane is now displaying files and directories on the connected server. Double-click the public HTML directory to open it. Right-click on the empty space within the file name box and then click the Create Directory option. Now give a name to the directory and click the OK button. Notice that the directory Images has been created. You can double-click Images to open it. You can create a directory inside any other directory, just like public HTML directory, by following the previous steps. Now you know how to create a directory. To delete a directory, right-click on the directory, then click the Delete option. Click the Yes button to confirm it. The selected directory has been removed. Thank you for watching.